Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update Bluetooth device name on Samsung phones. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, just scroll down to your control panel from the top of your screen. Now make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now what you have to do is just long tap on the Bluetooth option. Now once you are here on this page, you can see the name of your device that other people can view if they want to connect a Bluetooth device to their mobile device. Now in order to update your Bluetooth device's name, what you have to do is just go back to your main homepage on your Samsung mobile. Okay, let me go back. Now just open Settings on your mobile device. Now once you are here, simply scroll down to the bottom and then tap on the option of About Phone. Now with that, you'll come to this page. Now just at the top, you can see my device's name. Now in order to update this, simply tap on the option of Edit just below your device name. Now just backspace on this name and then enter a new name for your device. So for instance, I'm gonna update this name and then after typing on this name, simply tap on the option of Done at the bottom. Now you can see that your device's name has been updated. Now in order to check that, just simply scroll down to your control panel and then long tap on Bluetooth again. Now over here as well, you can see the name that you had updated a while ago. Now, this is the name that will be displayed on other people's devices who are trying to connect their own device to other Bluetooth devices. So, follow this step and then you will be able to update your Bluetooth device's name on any Samsung phone you own. But one thing you have to note down is that this step is only eligible for Samsung phones only. If you have other Android devices, the steps may vary. So, that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.